When we hear the alarm, it means there is no glue left. First switch to manual mode, then click on the cylinder withdrawal, open the lid, wait for the cylinder withdrawal process to end. Now the pointer is back to 0. When the withdrawal is completed, the pointer will be called back, indicating that the glue withdrawal has ended. Then you can lift the glue barrel. When you lift it, it will blow air. When the blowing is finished, you need to use a screwdriver to clean the glue around the air pipe and the residual glue around the aluminum plate. After cleaning, you can add butyl glue to the glue barrel, put it down after adding glue, and press the glue barrel while using the other hand to operate the panel to enter the cylinder. The hand can be released only after it is completely in the aluminum plate. The pointer returns during the cylinder entry process and returns to 0 at the end of the cylinder entry. The vacuuming process lasts about 2 minutes, during which the pointer will not change. At the end of the vacuuming, the pointer will return to 0 first and then quickly return to its original position. Then the replacement is completed.